Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to copy a chart in TradingView in 2026 using the updated interface. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you explore the offers and hurry up. Now, in order to copy your chart in TradingView, you first of all need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you need to either click on the option of products or you can click on the option of charts in order to launch that particular chart which you want to copy. Once the chart is in front of you, simply click on this take a snapshot or this camera icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the option of open in a new tab. So when you click on it, your chart will be duplicated and it will be opened here in a new chart just like so. So it will also show you all of the drawings that you have placed here on this chart. You can also click on this camera icon and copy the image. You can also copy the link and you can also download the image of this particular chart. You can also use your web browser, then go to the tab and click on the option of duplicate tab in order to launch the same chart in a new tab. So this way basically you will be able to copy your chart in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also drop your comments if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.